Every day, a silent war is waged in millions of homes. A war against time, against productivity, and against this.
We think we own our technology, but the truth is that we are chained to it.
The problem? We're so dependent on batteries chargers.
Initiate system upgrade and environmental camouflage.
The more modern our world becomes, the more invisible batteries requiring frequent charging become.
The hidden frustration? Every battery eventually asks us for something. Charge me. Replace me. Wait to recharge. Carry a charger. Find a power outlet. Worry about running out.
Is there a solution to this frequency of charging your everyday devices?
No, not yet. It's charging.
What if the charging disappeared? Is that possible? But what if the cable died forever? Scientists are exploring batteries that harvest energy from sunlight, body heat, walking vibration, radio frequencies, waves, wind movement, temperature differences.
These technologies aren't magical, never charge again batteries. Instead, they aim to capture tiny amounts of energy from the environment to reduce charging, extend battery life, or keep low-power devices running longer. The first step is already here. True long-range wireless charging. Not those pads you have to rest your phone on, but RF infrared laser charging. Imagine walking in a room, just start charging bug fragment. But let's think bigger. What if it didn't just charge wirelessly? What if it charged itself?
The A08 grid handles everything for us now.
It is a completely seamless integration.
A laptop that never needs a wall outlet isn't science fiction. The tech is being built right now. Would you trust a self-charging laptop, or are you too emotionally attached to your tangled cable?
Every year, batteries become smaller, pause smarter, safer, and more efficient. Could today's charger eventually become tomorrow's museum exhibit? What battery-powered device couldn't you live without?
Was it the last charger?
See you in the wireless future.